Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to write a job application letter for a butcher position. If you're looking to work in a supermarket, a fresh market, a specialty butcher shop, or even a grocery store meat department, this video will walk you through a complete sample letter and explain each part in detail. You see, a job application letter is a formal document written to an employer to show your interest in a specific job. It introduces you, explains your skills and experience, and highlights why you would be a good fit for the position. For a butcher job, this letter is especially important because employers must trust that you understand food safety, know how to handle cutting equipment, and can communicate well with customers. A well-written letter helps them see that you are reliable and capable of maintaining high standards in a busy meat department. Now let's go step by step through the sample letter, beginning with the applicant's information written at the top left. Marcus Bennett, 4180 Willow Ridge Drive, Cleveland, Ohio, 44109. Email, marcus.bennett@email.com. Phone, 216-774-3982. This section tells the employer exactly who you are and how they can contact you. Your name, address, email, and phone number must be complete and up to date. A clean and professional-looking email is important because it reflects your work ethic and attention to detail. Always double-check your contact information. One small mistake could cause you to miss an interview opportunity. Next comes the date. Date, August 15th, 2026. The date is a standard requirement in formal business letters. It helps employers stay organized and know exactly when the letter was written. Including the date also shows that you understand professional formatting, which helps your letter look neat, polished, and reliable. After the date, we list the employer's information. Hiring manager, Riverside Fresh Market, 1295 Oak Glen Avenue, Akron, Ohio, 44310. This section shows who the letter is intended for. If you know the specific name of the hiring manager, you can replace hiring manager with their name. If not, this form is completely acceptable. Listing the company name and address also makes your letter feel personalized instead of generic. Employers appreciate applicants who show effort and care enough to direct the letter properly. After that, we include the subject line. Subject: Application for butcher position. This subject line makes it clear which position you're applying for. Employers receive many applications, so stating your purpose up front helps them keep their files organized. It also makes your letter look structured and professional, which always leaves a good impression. Now we continue to the salutation. Dear hiring manager, this greeting is formal, polite, and appropriate for professional communication. If you know the manager's name, you may personalize it, but when the name is unknown, Dear hiring manager works perfectly. The salutation sets the tone of the letter, so it should always be respectful. Next, we move into the first main paragraph, which introduces the applicant and summarizes their experience. I am writing to express my interest in the butcher position at Riverside Fresh Market. With over 4 years of experience in meat preparation, cutting, trimming, and maintaining high standards of cleanliness, I'm confident in my ability to contribute effectively to your meat department. This paragraph is essential because it immediately tells the employer who you are and why you're qualified. Mentioning 4 years of experience right away shows that you're not a beginner. You already understand the demands of the job. The applicant highlights key butcher skills such as cutting, trimming, and maintaining cleanliness. These are fundamental tasks in a meat department, and mentioning them assures the employer that you have the technical foundation needed to perform the work safely and accurately. When writing your own application, make sure your opening paragraph is clear, confident, and focused on your strongest qualifications. Now we move to the second main paragraph, which provides specific examples of what the applicant does in their current position. In my current role at Lakeshore Butchery in Cleveland, I prepare a wide variety of meat cuts, ensure proper storage and labeling, operate cutting equipment safely, and follow all food safety regulations. I have developed strong customer service skills by assisting shoppers with meat selections, custom cuts, and cooking recommendations. I take pride in working efficiently while maintaining accuracy and hygiene. This paragraph goes deeper into real responsibilities. It shows the employer what the applicant actually does on a daily basis. Mentioning tasks like preparing meat cuts, storing products properly, and operating equipment safely demonstrates technical skill and awareness of hygiene requirements. These are extremely important in a butcher role because improper handling can lead to contamination or safety hazards. The applicant also talks about helping customers with custom cuts and cooking suggestions. This shows customer service skills, which many markets care about. Butchers often interact directly with customers, so being friendly, helpful, and knowledgeable is a big advantage. The final sentence, talking about efficiency, accuracy, and hygiene, reinforces reliability and professionalism. When writing your own letter, always include specific tasks, safety awareness, and customer service qualities. Now let's look at the next paragraph, which shows interest in the company. Riverside Fresh Market's reputation for quality and community-focused service strongly appeals to me, and I would welcome the opportunity to bring my skills and work ethic to your team. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be contacted by phone or email. Thank you for considering my application. This paragraph is important because it shows that you have researched the company. Employers appreciate candidates who understand their values. Here, the applicant mentions quality and community-focused service, which shows alignment with the company's mission. This helps build rapport and makes your application feel sincere. The applicant then mentions availability and provides contact options, which is standard and professional. The final thank you sentence reinforces politeness and appreciation. Next, the letter ends with the closing, "Sincerely, signature, Marcus Bennett." Sincerely is a classic and professional closing. After that, the applicant repeats their name to complete the letter. To end this narration, here's a final reminder. When writing your own butcher job application letter, focus on clarity, professionalism, and safety. Highlight your experience with meat cutting, equipment handling, and food safety regulations. Show that you are reliable, precise, and able to serve customers well. Keep your letter clean, organized, and easy to read, and always proofread before sending it. So, that's how you write a job application letter for a butcher position. Thank you for watching Writing Tutorials. If you found this narration helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more step-by-step writing lessons.